Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the locations to complete the riddle movie guide to get the dreaming on the sand emotes in Heartopia. So in this new season, this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and at this event get the you will get the new emotes that looks like this. But to get this emote, you need to pop the riddle bubble that's scattered at the map. And to get this emote, the dreaming on the sand emote like this, just go to the Amethyst Beach, this area, and then at this building, you will you will see the bubble that looks like this. So just pop it and then you will get the new image and your riddle bubble, your riddle movie guide will be checklist like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.